Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you combine the Amazon Alexa and the Audible app. Now the first thing you need to do is enter the Audible app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see your profile. And in this page you should look at the top of your right corner and you will see a setting symbol there. Press on it. And you can see here in the app settings category the fifth option, which is Alexa, and if you press on it you can just combine the two apps here basically, because you can activate Alexa basically to play or control titles when the app is open and active, for example. So you can just click on it, you can press continue, agree and continue, and basically link the two applications.